Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're trying to install Windows 11 on VMware ESXi and you're getting this error, what you can do, just reboot the VM and press Shift plus F10 together. So you'll get a command prompt like window or DOS window. Then you can type regedit, which is regedit, and you will get a registry editor opened on your screen. So here you are going to create a new queue in this particular location: computer, HK local machine, system, setup. So right click on the setup and new, create key. Already I have created LabConfig, and you need to create a new binary value here. Right click on new and create a binary value, and you will also have to change the binary value to 1, and the name of the value is ByPassTPMCheck. Type exactly as I have typed and double click and change the value to 1. So once you did this one, you can just close this one and it will automatically save on the registry of that particular machine. Close this window as well, just click on exit and try to install now. So you should be in this particular window where it is showing install window, and it should not be the screen which we have seen in the beginning of the video. And now let's try to install Windows 11 Pro on this particular machine. Everything should be fine. I can see that error is no longer appearing, and I can accept the license term and finish with either a fresh installation or upgrade option. So in my case it's a fresh installation. Create new, which is 100 GB I have allocated, and click on next, and which will start the installation process for Windows 11. So I'll just make the video faster to see how it is going to get installed on VMware. I will put the commands and the instructions in the description of the video. You can refer that one as well, and I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe the channel, click the bell icon for notification. Take care. Goodbye.